That's it. 1 second they love you. You're the world's greatest dog. Then poof, history. Nobody cares.
Look at here, Miss Thing. I found the perfect gift for Dutch's birthday.
A milking stool. Oh, that will go great with my gift. I got her a pail.
Oh, girlfriend's gonna be so surprised.
And so will everyone else.
Happy birthday, Duchess. Here's a little present from me.
Wait! I shall use my phenomenal psychic powers to reveal to you what it is. I'm sensing something, getting an image. Yes! This present is a milking stool.
Ooh, well, I'll be.
Lucky guess! And now, my psychic powers tell me that this present is a pail.
You're right. It is a pail.
Cat Pig, you ain't nothing but amazing.